17th one, find the arithmetic mean of the data. Here given raw data given here. Raw data given. Raw data, what is, first write the solution here. Given data. Why? Because this one is 2 mark question. That's why we should write little working there. Given data is 5, 6, 9, 10, 6, 6 and 7. This one is given data. So mean, arithmetic mean is equal to what is the formula? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations means you should add all the given data there. So 5 plus 6 plus 9 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 by how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. So first 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, 42 plus 7, 49, 49 by 7. Now by the cancellation, we are going to do the cancellation there. Okay, 7 1 ja 7, 7 ja 49 is equal to 7. So arithmetic mean of the given question is 7. Okay, now next question. 18th question. 2 dice, one is red, another one is yellow, are thrown at the same time. Write down the possible outcomes that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8. Sum is 8. Now 2 dice, okay, when thrown at a time. So red, for example, first given red. So I will write here red, red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. And next one is yellow. So yellow, here yellow, but this one is not visible, that's why I will take orange color. It is better to visible there. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Write down all possible outcomes, he said. Write down all the possible outcomes which are whose sum is 8. So first we should write the order pairs here. So first one 1, 1. So here 1, 1. Next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. How many possible outcomes are there total? 36. Is it? I will show how to come 36 there. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay, now 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4-3, 4-4, 4-5, 4-6. Next 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6. Now last one 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5 and 6-6. Okay, now what he said here, he asked that 8, sum is 8. List out all the elements. Now first of all, how to come the 36, these 36 outcomes. Here formula is there, one die having 6 faces, that's why 6. Next power n. Here n indicates the number of dice. Here 2 dice at a time, that's why 6 squared, that is equal to 36. Okay, if 3 dice are there, then 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, now list out, he said, list out all the possible outcomes whose sum is 8. Let us check whose sum is 8 here. These are first up to last 1 plus 6, 7 is there. Here 8, 2 plus 6 is 8. Now you can draw the diagonal only, these two, this one and this one. These are sum of 2 outcomes is, I will round up this, easily you can get these. So required possible outcomes are the possible outcomes is equal to, first one 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3 and 6 2. Okay, is it understood? Now let us next question. Now draw the Venn diagram of A minus B, where A and B are non-empty sets. These are non-empty sets. That's why first we should draw the universal set. Universal set indicated with a rectangle always. Okay, this one is universal set. We can indicate with a rectangle. I will write here, it is indicated with mu also. Now A and B. A, I will take green color A and B. This one is B. What he said, A minus B, remove B part from A. This part up to here you can remove. This one means this remaining part, this shaded, this one is your answer. Yes, this one is the answer. So A minus B is equal to, so this lines part is our answer. Okay, now last question in 2 mark questions. The wickets taken by bowler in 10 cricket matches, total of number of matches 10, as follows, means 10 observations given here, 2 6 4 5 0 2 1 3 2 3. Find the mode of the data. What is mode? Mode is that most frequently occurred value. Most frequently occurred value is called mode. Most frequently occurred value is called mode. So first, given data we should write in ascending order. Given data we should write first given data 2 6 4 5 0 2 1 3 2 3. This one is given data. Ascending order. Ascending order or descending order, it's your choice. So first 0 is there, 0, next 1, next 0 1 completed, 2 1 2 3 2's are there, so 2 comma 2 comma 2. Next how many 3's are there? 2 3's are there, so 3 comma 3. Next how many 4's are there? Only one 4, that's why 4. Next 5, how many 5's? Only one 5, only one 6, 5 and 6. Now total count once, total numbers 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, most frequently occurred, so many times. Which value comes here? This 2 comes 3 times, so 2 occur three times. So mode of the data is equal to 2. Okay, this one is the 20th answer, 20th question answer. I hope you understood. Okay, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.